Number 2, 10,000. Primary Mathematics 3A, Part 2. We are starting question 3. Write the numbers. First one, 2,151. So look, first one is one digit, second one is tenth, third one is hundred, and fourth one is thousand, right? So here is a 2,000. So 2, and next this one 0 0 0, 100 1 0 0, 51 51. So what will be the answer? 1 5 1 2. This is a 2 1 5 1. 4,548, 4,000. It's a 4,000. Next 500, 500, and then 48, 48. So 8 4 5 4. We can write 4 5 4 8. Step by step we are trying to solve this one. Next 3,302. So we can write this one 3,000, then 300, and then 2 2 0 3 3. So we can write in here 3 3 0 2. 1,712. First 1,000. This one is a 1,000. Then 700, 700, and then 12, right? So it will become 2,171. So we can write 1,712. 3,400. So where is, here is a 3,000, and then 400, 400. So 0043. So 3400. 6,009. So 6,000 and then 9. So 9,006. 6,009. 4,502. This is your homework. Okay, so number 3 has done. Next, here is 1 digit, 10 digit, 100 digit, 1,000 digit. So 5,000. So we can write this one like in here. It's a 5,400, right? 417. 17. Okay. So very simple. We can write this one. Next, the first digit is 6, then 9, then 4, then 0. It means it's a 6,000. 6,900, and then 40, right? So what about next one? It's a 8,000. So we can copy this one. Similar types of sentence, no need extra work. So here is a 8,000, right? 8,000. 8,000, then what? 53. 53. So what about next one? Here is a 7,000, right? So we can write 7,000, then 200. 200, and finally it's a 9. Okay, 9. N-I-N-E. So what about next one? It's a 9,004. We can write this one. Here is a 9. 9,000 and just 4. So this video I am trying to solve just 2 math, and next video we will start exercise 2. It's a primary mathematics 3A, first unit, numbers to 10,000. Next video will come very soon. Please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Sad Educare. Sad Edu care. I hope you will get lots of things from this channel. Thank you.